Hey, so I want to go over three of my favorite themes to use for whenever I'm using VS Code. And this video is helpful to you if you are in the market to look for a new theme or if you're just like looking around for suggestions. If you fall in either of those categories, this video is for you. So my first theme, and this is the theme that I recommend the most, it's called IU. And it's just a very nice, low profile, minimal theme that has three variations. It has light, which is, light theme. There's mirage, and then there's also dark. So dark is what I usually use most of the time. I use lights whenever I am in a light environment and I can't do dark. Like if I'm out in the sun and I'm trying to get something done, and I usually can't see the text editor when it's on dark or even mirage mode, so I just turn on light. I take the pain. But yeah, number one is IU. So number two is called Outrun, and it's less popular than IU, but it looks nice to me. It has a nice futuristic look to it. You might love it, you might hate it. It's like 50-50 apparently. Whenever I showed it to friends, they either say they liked it or they just absolutely hated it. And don't know. I do like the color purple. I like the whole futuristic cyberpunk type feel to it. It's not overboard. It's very, very low profile. It's not like some others that I'll probably like show right here. It's just a nice one. Check it out if you like it, and if you hate it, let me know. So my third one, what was it again? It's called Duotone. It's called Duotone. And what I really like about Duotone is the variety. I believe there's like 5 different styles, 5 different variations. There's earth, there's space, there's water, there's forest. I think that's 4. I think it's just 4. Maybe there's one more. I know there was one that I didn't like and I completely forgot about it, but I know there's at least 4. And it's a really nice theme if you want just like, if you don't want to go overboard with themes, if you want like a nice little collection, but you don't want to download multiple themes, it's a very nice option because it's very low profile. It's called Duotone for a reason. There's only like there's 2 types that like, there's 2 different colors. I believe, yeah, it's 2 different colors for each variation, and there's like different shades of that color. So I think in total 5 colors per variation, and it's very, very nice. I sound like Apple. But yeah, those are my 3. But yeah, those are my 3 recommendations for themes. If you ever use VS Code, then if you use VS Code, then check these out. If you do not know what VS Code is, it's basically it's a text editor created by Microsoft. It got very, very, very popular in the recent years. I believe like 2016, 2017, 2018. I don't know if it was out before that. I know Visual Studio was a thing, but then Visual Studio Code came out pretty recently, fairly recently, and it's been getting very popular since. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.